Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. Today we will prepare one of the most famous Kerala dishes, Avial. In a grinder, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, around 1.5 cups of grated coconut, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 7 cloves of garlic, and around 5 green chillies. Now grind it into a coarse mix without adding any water. In a pan, add 1 small bowl of Madras cucumber. All the vegetables that we are adding have been cut into thin long slices. Next we will add 1 bowl of raw banana, half bowl of carrot, 1 bowl drumsticks, half bowl of ivy gourd, half bowl beans, 1 bowl of yam, half bowl bitter gourd, 1 bowl snake gourd, 1 bowl of cowpeas, 5 green chillies, and few curry leaves. Now we will add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, around 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and around 2 cups of water. Now close the lid and cook it on high flame till water starts boiling. Once it is boiled, cook it on medium flame and keep stirring it in between. Once all the vegetables are cooked, evaporate all the leftover water. Add grinded coconut paste and give it a good mix. Now add few curry leaves. Close the lid and cook it for 2 more minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, mix it well. And add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and switch off the flame. Mix it nicely. And after 5 minutes at the end, add half cup of sour curd into it and give it a good mix. This is one of the healthiest dishes as wide variety of veggies go into it. Enjoy this with hot rice. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.